My name is Dennis Mersino. I'm 43 years old and I'm from Fostoria, Michigan. I like to tackle problems, problem solver. I don't know, one off the top of my head. Wanted to get out of automotive and into something different, and I was hoping that this would be quite a bit different.
So what were you doing in the automotive industry?
I was an engineer. We build headliners and door panels for different automotive companies. I grade myself about a C for trivia. I like seeing how things are done in the background. I don't know, from nothing to complete instrument panels. It's a pretty neat process. My first job was on a horse farm, and that was also my worst job. I'm not a horse guy, so it really wasn't a good fit for me. I like to smoke meats and cheeses, barbecue, and like to spend a lot of time with my family and the kids. Sports. I hope to start out at the bottom, learn the process, and move up with the company as they grow.